Steven with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the drum baffle in the Samsung dryer. The tools needed are listed in the description below. Let's get started. The reason you may need to replace the drum baffle is if they are loose or broken. This can cause the clothes not to dry properly or cause damage to your clothing. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the dryer. First, we need access to the back of the dryer to remove the screws holding the top cover. Next, place your foot at the bottom of the dryer, place your hands on the top, and pull towards you until the top cover releases. This may require some force. Only rotate the drum clockwise. Spinning the drum the wrong direction may cause the belt to come loose from the motor or idler pulley. Next, rotate the drum so you can easily access the 4 screws on the baffle you want to replace. Then, remove 3 of the 4 screws. While removing the last screw, make sure to support the baffle so it does not drop into the dryer. If you have a bad drum baffle and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. The baffles are only sold individually by the manufacturer. To install, ensure the baffle is positioned correctly in the drum by referencing the other baffles. Align the screw holes and reinstall the screws. Be careful not to over-tighten as it may strip the plastic. To reinstall the top cover, make sure the rear of it, which is noted by the gray pieces, is facing the rear of the dryer. Align the top cover guides to the opening in the top cover. Continue to push forward until it locks back in place. Next, reinstall the 2 screws. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button, and if you enjoy fixing things, please consider subscribing.